was able to really grow my account to $26,000, and I would have never been able to do that if I didn't really just take a step back and really understand the power that trading has. Before I get too deep into today's video, I am not a part of IML. I am not a part of actually any other company besides my own.
Bad and bougie, lavish like she Ruby, she want Gucci, she want Louis.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm so excited to be back here on YouTube. I'm not going to make this intro too long. If you guys are new here, my name is Ruby. I am a 22-year-old entrepreneur, motivational speaker, YouTuber. I basically make a whole bunch of different content on this channel to basically help people upgrade in life, whether it be academically, financially, or personally. I'm very big on just working on yourself, investing in yourself, and trying to be really the best that you can be. If you guys haven't watched my previous content, I have a whole bunch of different videos that I think will be very helpful no matter what age or stage you are at life. I have videos on how to make money, how to save money, how to invest, how to make money from your phone, how to make money from home. But altogether, I really do believe that if you take time to invest in your own abilities and your own skills, whatever the case may be, you can really completely change your life, and I'm really just here to kind of motivate you guys. But before I begin, you guys know that I do try and give back as much as I can. I do a $100 giveaway anytime I do a Money Mondays video. I'm going to cue the clips right now on how to enter and how to win $100 from my channel, and in the next video I'm going to be announcing the winners. If you want to be next week's $100 Money Mondays giveaway winner, all you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. First, text Money Mondays to 917-540-8373 to join my personal text message community for exclusive content, giveaways, announcements, and more. Second, follow my personal page, Lavish Ruby, and my business page, Lavish Life Academy, on Instagram. Third, last but not least, all you have to do is screen record a part of this video and share it on your Instagram story to your followers. Don't forget to tag at Lavish Ruby and hashtag Money Mondays so that I can see your entry. You can enter up to a week from post date and you'll be messaged on Instagram if you win. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my trading journey thus far, basically how trading has changed my life. I am a Forex trader as well as a stock trader. I also trade stock indices, crypto. I trade a whole bunch of stuff. I'm basically just an all-around trader. And this is something that I got into a little while back, but these past couple of months or so has definitely changed my entire life, you guys. And before I get too deep into today's video, I am not a part of IML. I am not a part of actually any other company besides my own. I am not a part of any multi-level marketing companies. I don't believe in multi-level marketing. I don't think it's ethically correct, but to each its own. If you guys didn't know, I am the CEO of Lavish Life Academy. We currently have around 1,000 members from basically all around the world. It is growing rapidly, and I just wanted to kind of give this video to people that may be interested in Forex trading or stock trading in general and just kind of want to get a starting point and a feel for what trading is. Lavish Life Academy is an educational platform, so I teach people how to trade in the Forex and stock market, but I also have another section for people that are entrepreneurs that want to learn how to grow their business to 6 figures. All of my businesses are multiple 6 figures right now, which is crazy. So again, Lavish Life Academy is not an MLM company. It is not a part of IML. There is no recruiting, there's no referrals. It's literally just learning how to trade. I didn't want to talk too heavily about Lavish Life Academy in this video, but I don't want you guys to be misconstrued. I'm not in anything that relates to recruitment or referrals. If you want more information about Lavish Life Academy, you guys can go straight on the website, or I will link 2 different videos. 2 of my members actually ended up making reviews just because they like the program. I don't pay anybody for reviews or anything like that. They don't have referral links, nothing. I just want people to be successful trading, and I wanted to give people an alternative way to learn how to trade that's obviously a lot cheaper than IML ever will be, but it was just a different way to really learn how to trade in a standard way. All the videos are pre-recorded. You literally watch on your own time. But like I said, more information is on the website. I don't want to talk too much about it in this video. In honor of today's video, I am actually going to be giving a $1 7-day trial to Lavish Life Academy. If this is something that you're interested in, you can obviously stay in the program, but this 7-day trial is going to give you an insight of what Lavish Life Academy is. You'll be able to see our group chats, you'll be able to kind of see the educational platform, you'll be able to join a webinar because I do webinars once a week, so there will be a webinar during the 7-day time period that you're on in the program for. Just so you can get a taste if it's something that you are interested in. And not only is it going to be $1 trial, if you feel like it's something that you're not interested in, I'll even give you your dollar back. I'll give you your dollar back. I just want to be able to introduce this opportunity to people and kind of give people a different way out. It's honestly just so crazy to me, the fact that trading isn't mainstream. This is not something that a lot of people are introduced to. Like, a lot of people just don't know the impact of being a stock trader, the impact of being a Forex trader. But I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes, what it really takes to be a trader. It really doesn't take a lot. I feel like a lot of people have so many misconceptions. I'm going to be doing a whole Forex trading series, showing you guys like the behind the scenes, day in the life, stuff like that. But altogether, I just wanted to use this as motivation because I feel like a lot of people paint a picture in their head when it comes to a Forex trader. They're either an IML, right? They're either like promoting Forex trading 24/7 or trying to recruit people into their program, or they just don't know about it, don't care about it, right? And I feel like there can be a medium, right? Once you are trading, no one has to know that you were a trader. You don't have to post about it. I feel like a lot of people, like, because of IML, they automatically think that if I trade, the whole world has to know. This is something that you're doing for yourself. Alright, so I'm going to actually give you guys a full breakdown on everything that I'm going to be talking about in today's video on the side here, as well as in the description bar down below, so that if you're looking for a specific topic, you can go straight to that point. First things first, what is Forex? So Forex basically stands for foreign exchange trading, and you're basically making money off of the fluctuation of different prices, right? So there's multiple different things that you can make money off of in the foreign exchange market. As a whole, you can make money off of currency pairs, you can make money off of stocks, you can make money off of stock indexes, you can make money off of cryptos, you can make money off of metals, so for example gold. Cryptos, if you didn't know, cryptos include Bitcoin, if you guys didn't know, and then you can also make money off of US oil and other commodities like that. What I love about Forex the most is the fact that it is so diverse. There are so many different opportunities to make money in this specific market. I personally love trading stocks in the Forex market, and I love trading stock indexes in the foreign exchange market. But I am very skilled in all different types of trading. This is something that I genuinely have put a lot of time and effort into really perfecting the skill. That's why I have been able to teach over 1,000 people now. So what's great about foreign exchange trading? So when you're trading in this market, you are basically making money off of the fluctuations of different prices. So when you look at a specific chart, you will see that basically you'll see like a line that is going up and down, right? A line that is going up and down, and the way that it works is that you're basically buying at low points in the market and selling at high points in the market. When it comes to trading, it is not hard at all. This is something that you can really do at any age, basically. I have my brother is trading now. You guys know Ron, he's 12 years old. He's trading in the foreign exchange market, obviously under the guidance of me, but I have people in my program, Lavish Life Academy, that are as young as 14, 15, and obviously up. It's something that is not difficult at all. This is a completely new skill, but it's not a difficult skill. It's something that takes time to really learn and really perfect if you want to do it the right way. Multiple different ways on how to really learn how to successfully trade. There's strategies, there are different indicators that you can use that you kind of have to know about. There's just a lot that goes into the educational part of it. That is why I decided to create my own educational platform to really teach people my way of trading. So like I mentioned before, I don't want to make this a strictly promotional video, but whatever trading platform you decide to choose, make sure that they're actually teaching you how to trade. In order to be successful trading, you shouldn't have to rely on copy and pasting. That's a huge misconception that will really stunt your growth as a whole. You should be able to understand how to trade. You should be able to understand what to do in different scenarios in the market. You should understand that whoever's teaching you how to trade should be able to teach you specific strategies. I teach strategies based on different scenarios in the markets so that my traders will be able to know what to do at different times. Then you should also be able to understand risk management, which is very, very, very important. And then trading psychology and trading mindset, which is another key component. And then lastly, a trading plan. You should be able to understand how to create a trading plan for yourself for success. If whoever's teaching you isn't teaching you these specific things, you need to find somewhere else to learn. Like I said before, I'm biased towards Lavish Life Academy because obviously I'm the one teaching and I made a Forex Made Easy approach, but you can figure it out yourself. Just make sure that they are teaching you these specific things. My course has about 40 different videos as a whole. I made it very simple, but this is important information. If they're not going in depth with all these different things, you will not be successful trading. But it can be something that will change your life, and I'll tell you guys this now. It's basically the act of buying and selling, right? Basically predicting movements in the market, right? And I'm gonna explain this to you guys, and I promise you guys it is not difficult to learn, right? You just have to learn it from the right people, from the right platforms, from the right programs, whatever the case may be. So when you are buying, you are basically saying that you are at a specific point and you're expecting it to go high, right? So you're buying low because you're expecting it to increase. If you're selling, that means that it is currently at one point and then it's going to decrease, right? So you're predicting the movement to go down. When it comes to Forex trading, the only thing that you really have to understand is technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Those are two really big words for how to read the markets or how to understand the charts, and then also understanding how the news affects the markets as well, right? So this is something that you can really do at the comfort of your own home. You can do this, you know, at really any time. You can spend an hour doing this a day, or you can be somebody that does this full time and just does, you know, trades all day if you want to. But the thing is, when it comes to Forex trading, you can really make money at any time. This is a skill that is flexible. This is something that you can do at the comfort of your own home. You can do this at work. You can do this at, you know, in between classes. This is something that genuinely is an amazing side hustle, and if you work towards it, it can be something that can allow you to quit your full-time job. So like I mentioned before, there's multiple different things that you can trade, but it is all on the same platform, so that makes things super easy. So you can trade currency pairs on the same platform, stocks, stock indexes, oil, gold, cryptos. Everything is traded on the same platform called MetaTrader 4. Right? You have to learn how to use MetaTrader 4. You have to learn how to analyze the charts. You have to learn when to buy, when to sell. That really comes down to the educational part of it. But once you get over that learning curve, that's when you see really how much this can really benefit you if you're doing it the right way. Right? The question is, what do you really need to start trading? There's a couple of things you need. You need a trading platform, which is MetaTrader 4. I basically trade right on my phone, and I trade on my iPad as well. So this is the MetaTrader 4 app. It's kind of similar to, it's kind of comparable to Robinhood if you trade stocks, if you're like a stock day trader. You have MetaTrader 4, and then you have an analyzing platform called Trading View, which I use on my computer, or I use it on my phone as well. You can use your phone, you can use a laptop, and obviously you need internet, but it's as easy as that. And obviously you need capital, you need money to actually trade. This goes into my next question. How much money do you need to start trading? A lot of people think that you need hundreds of dollars to start, thousands of dollars to start. You can really start from as low as $50, and you can really bring your account up to a significant amount from $50. The amount of money that you put in directly correlates to the amount of money that you're able to make. People in my program right now that are flipping their accounts crazy. I actually posted on my story today after taking a super long break off of Instagram. I'll actually put the clips here so that you guys can see. Alright, so if you watched my Instagram story, you probably already saw this, but I was just so excited, you guys. After coming back from Instagram from like 3 weeks, I decided to just show my profits of my members, and then I showed you guys my profits afterwards. So Maurice was able to make $853 in profit in one day, and these are all screenshots from Lavish Life Academy's Discord. Veronica made $862 in a week. She said this is her most profitable week so far on her live account. Charles flipped he tripled his account from $500 to $1,500. So he made $1,000 in a week. Usman made $4,000 in profit. He went from $1,000 to about $5,000. So that's $4,000 profit in a week. And then you guys can just read the screenshot. Like, this is just a testimony in general. And then Lisa made $5,000 in one day. She had her first 5K day. If you guys are part of Lavish Life Academy, you guys obviously see this stuff on a regular. But I'm just honestly so proud of my program as a whole. And I just appreciate them trusting me. But even if you are not part of Lavish Life Academy, just know that all of this stuff is possible. You have to really just take time to understand and learn this information. The reason why I'm making this video today is because people are out here doing it, and you can too, literally. So just reach higher. I don't want to make this whole video too long, but my entire goal was just to show you guys, like, this is possible. This is my $27,000 screenshot. And then just to show you guys that I was about to hit $3,000, but I mean, sorry, not $3,000, $30,000, but I basically was trailing my stop loss. If you guys, are a trader, you understand what that means. And it ended up hitting my stop loss in profit, and I ended off the month with $27,000, or $26,400. When it comes to trading, it is not something that you have to do every day. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can trade for 30 minutes a day. You can trade once a week. You can trade once a month. Once you have the skill, you can do it at any time. And you can make as much money as you want at that specific time if you know what you're doing. My goal is to really get to a point in my trading account where I could make a substantial amount of money in just 2 or 3 times a month trading. And if you are a Forex trader, you guys know that that is very, very possible. Like, literally, like, you can do wonders. I have, members in my academy that are making $5,000 in one day. If that is your goal in life, just to make $5,000 in a month, that one day is all you need. You know what I mean? If you want to, I don't promote over leveraging. I do not promote copy and pasting. Even though I do provide signals or trade ideas, that's that, right? I genuinely teach people how to be successful traders because I want them to be able to trade by themselves. I don't want my members or people that are trading in general to have to rely on anyone, because that defeats the purpose of trading, right? Obviously you want to make money, but you want to be able to make money by yourself at any time. But leave your class, you should be able to make money in between classes. You should be able to make money on your break from work, right, by yourself at 2 o'clock in the morning. The past couple of weeks or so, I have been on a trading journey, and this was honestly supposed to be motivation for my program, but this ended up motivating me to basically change my entire mindset of trading as a whole. So I know a lot of people think of trading as a side hustle, make a couple of $100s here and there, but I wanted to create this little journey for myself to show that this is genuinely a skill that can make you a lot of money. And this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is literally a skill. And there are people that take Forex trading very seriously and do this as a full-time job. But what I love about Forex trading is the fact that you do not have to rely on anyone besides yourself. It doesn't matter what you have, what kind of job you have. I mean, if you're an entrepreneur, if you have businesses, if you have a career, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, you rely on other people to make money. And it didn't really occur to me until I was sick. I was actually sick for about almost two weeks, about 10 days, and I realized that, like, while I was sick, it was very difficult for me to do some things. Like, I have multiple different businesses and I'm the CEO, I'm the lead for these businesses. I have to make sure that my inventory is coming in. I have to talk to the shipping agent, I have to talk to my assistant, I have to talk to my interns. You guys know that I run an entire internship program. I currently have about 19 interns that are working with me this summer. I actually doubled it to give more people opportunities this year. But when I was sick, I realized, like, when you have so much responsibility, you're basically relying on, your businesses, you're relying on orders, you're relying on, your job, you're relying on your employer. You're always relying on a different source for the income or whatever it is that you're doing. One income stream that I had while I was sick, that I didn't have to talk to anybody, I didn't have to, worry about anything really, was trading. Trading is something that you can do by yourself, independently. If you understand the skill, no one can take that from you. All you need is yourself and your phone, right? And the markets, right? Being able to read the market. This is something that is never going to change, right? What's great about Forex is that you can make money off of every fluctuation. So whether the stock market is doing good or doing bad, you can make money off of that fluctuation as long as you're able to predict it. Like, as you're physically able, right? You are able to trade by yourself. You don't have to speak to interns, you don't have to speak to staff, you don't have to call your job, you don't have to really worry about anything. This is something that you can do at any time, anywhere, as long as you have internet connection and a phone. I was able to really invest a little bit more time and effort into Forex trading in general, and I was able to really grow my account to $26,000. And I would have never been able to do that if I didn't really just take a step back and really understand the power that trading has. You can really make as much money as you want if you are doing it the correct way, if you understand the right strategies, if you're learning from the right people. There's been days where I've made my entire YouTube check in one day trading, and I don't think people really understand the power that trading has. And trading is something that you don't need a lot of prerequisites for. Right? When it comes to YouTube, you have to grow your YouTube channel, you have to put out all this content, you have to do this, and this. Even with business, you have to do marketing, you have to, source inventory. There's a lot that goes into business, there's a lot that goes into YouTube, there's a lot that goes into every single career stream. Right? So if you want to be a doctor, lawyer, 4 years of school, 5 years of school, 8 years of school, right? There's a lot that goes into every single career, every single income stream. Right? All you have to do is learn the skill. Like, literally all you have to do is learn the skill. I have people in my program that have learned how to trade in a day, right? Or in 2-3 days, right? Because I literally lay everything out, so it's not something where you have to watch, you have to kind of piece together information from all over the internet or whatever the case may be. I literally give all the information to you, right? You can learn the information and then start practicing. And this is something that I can genuinely do at any location. I don't have to worry about inventory space. I don't have to worry about warehouse space. I don't have to worry about staff. I don't have to worry about assistants. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're a CEO of a business, if you're an entrepreneur, there's a lot that goes into it. I feel like people glamorize entrepreneurship, and I love being an entrepreneur, don't get me wrong, but it is a lot of work. And the fact that I've been able to make a lot of money, I haven't made more money off of Forex trading than I have with my businesses. I've made a lot of money from business in general, but the fact that I can do so much with Forex trading without all of the extra stuff behind it, it just gives Forex trading so much more power. That's why I enjoy Forex trading so much more. The only thing is that I am a very personable person. I enjoy talking to people. If you're a part of Lavish Life Academy, you guys know that I love our webinars. I do live trading. I do question and answers when it comes to trading because I genuinely love it. Lavish Life Academy is my way of giving back. It's my way of helping people. I genuinely love teaching how to trade because that is just my personality. I can choose at any time to stop doing all of this and just focus on trading, and that's what I realized when I was sick. And just having that mindset. This was just a motivational video for you guys, just to kind of get you guys understanding that this genuinely can change your life if you decide that you wanted to. I will link down below, or if you follow Lavish Life Academy on Instagram, if you just check the highlights, you'll see testimonies from people that are in my program that have been able to make, you know, $1,000 off of a $65 account. So that's basically it for this video. I'm going to be making a whole bunch of more content. Make sure you guys text me. I'm going to actually be asking you guys to send me some questions. I have like a little community phone number now that I'm going to be communicating with you guys through, because if I decide that I don't want to be on Instagram or YouTube, I still want to be able to contact you guys with just more information on different things that are going on. For example, this week I am going to be speaking with Business Insider. I'm going to be doing a free webinar with Business Insider alongside Shelby Church and Katie on YouTube, and I'm super excited for that. If you guys want, you guys can sign up. The link is going to be in the description bar down below. But make sure you guys text the number on the screen so that you guys can get updates. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of different giveaways, information. That's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.